In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Todoist. Printing your Todoist task can be really handy if you like having a physical copy in front of you, maybe for planning your day away from the computer, sharing a list in a meeting, or just keeping a backup on paper. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple process of printing directly from Todoist, and I'll also share a few tips so you get exactly what you need on the page. First, open Todoist on your computer. You can do this either in your web browser or in the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the project or task list you want to print. It could be your inbox, a specific project, or even a filtered view. Next, click on the task or the task view that you want to print. If you're trying to print an entire project or list, navigate into that project so you see all the tasks you want on your printed page. Take a moment to review your tasks here. This is a good time to quickly clean things up. Check off anything that's already done if you don't want it appearing on the printout, and collapse or expand subtasks depending on how much detail you want to see. Once you're in the right place, look toward the top area of the screen for the three dots icon. This is usually shown as a small button with three vertical or horizontal dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. This menu holds extra actions related to the view you're currently in. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Print. Go ahead and click on Print. As soon as you do that, your browser or your operating system will open the standard print dialog. This is where you can choose your printer, the number of copies, page orientation, and other settings like color or black and white. Before you confirm, take a quick look at the print preview. Make sure all the tasks you need are visible and nothing important is cut off. If something doesn't look right, cancel the print, go back to Todoist, adjust your view or complete unnecessary tasks, and then open the print option again. When everything looks good, click the button to print. Your printer will start producing a physical copy of your Todoist tasks, ready for you to use offline, in a meeting, or wherever you need it.